Hello there, welcome back to another video. My name's Aidan and today we're going to make a vase. I'm using white stoneware clay. Cut this baby up and let's get started. Soften that clay up. The key is to make a nice tall cylinder. We're going to try and get this pretty tall as we want to make a big chunky vase. So after you've got a nice dome shape, we're going to put two hands in, make that nice hole. So now the key is to get a nice solid cylinder. Start bringing the walls up. One thing I find very helpful for bringing the walls up, when you have your fingers inside, push against your finger. Make sure your inside finger is above the outside finger. And you can pull the walls up nice and easy. And then every so often just make sure it's nice and coned at the top, slightly smaller than the bottom. So here I'm cleaning the vase off, ready to do the shaping. So here I am just pushing against the walls, just feeling the shape of the vase. Ideally I would have pushed the walls out more at the top and evened it out slightly, but I just liked the shape I was going for in the moment. That's beautiful. All I should have done was trimmed the top off a lot and kept that shape. That would have been beautiful. But it never goes to plan. And I was struggling here, managed to get it back, but again, if I look back now, I would have changed a lot. But yeah, it still looks good, so I probably should have got the heat gun out now and dried it off slightly and strengthened the walls. So yeah, I was gonna cut this off here. I should have cut more off. So I'm just cleaning the vase off, giving it a bit of shape. I probably used too much water as well, so less water next time. So here is the point of no return. I trimmed, I guess, the roof of the vase, and doing that weakened the structure, and the top was too heavy and it was basically pushing down on itself and collapsed. Beautiful. If you guys have any tips on how to avoid this, please share them. But thanks for watching the video, guys, and hope to see you in the next one. If you would like to follow my pottery journey, show you all the tips and tricks that I have learned so far, or feel free to share your experience, ask me any questions. See you in the next video. Cheers!